Mm-hmm.
Good morning and welcome to our series of instructional videos on how to give a cat insulin.
You have to speak up, Aiden.
I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe at the bottom of the page. The first step is to go get the insulin. It's next to the relish in this little box. This is Joey. He's a diabetic. Sometimes he won't. He'll be too out of it to jump up here, so you might have to lift him up there. Over here are the syringes. You're supposed to use one at a time and chuck them out. Eventually we might start reusing them, but for the moment this is what we're doing. Careful, it's very sharp. In the box, there's this. You might want to give it a little twist. And in the middle, put that in there, you turn it upside down. And if you see these things, you want to give them 1.5 units.
Blurry.
How's that?
You can't see it. I'll have to write it down. It's okay. It's okay.
So you give it to there. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
There are 5 different places to put a needle in a cat.
But the best one is in the back.
The easiest one is if you sort of behind the shoulder blades and you pull it up and make a little pocket and stick it in.
I can't really see how
It's a little tricky to, like that.
Mm-hmm.
There's also on the side, on each side, and somehow at the back. Hey.
Okay.
So here, everyone's getting impatient. So, you just pull a little pocket up and stick it in there. And, yeah. He's used to it by now. You give him a little pet and move him over here. And take this thing and put it back on. Be careful because it pokes through occasionally and will stick you in the finger. And then put it in there. And what I do, because I'm a little forgetful, is I take this and put it back in the box and put it back in the fridge right away.
Okay, that's good.
Because I don't know now part 2 of the video is how to feed the cat.
Oh.
Voila. The first step is to go into the other room.
Oh.
This is Biggie Smalls. She has her own special feeding station. Kind of best to arrange the poles along here. We're going to clearly label this for you, but this is Joey's diabetic food. Cats get half a scoop each. So, there. You have to put the food back up, otherwise Junior will knock the food off and eat it. This is the weight loss food.
Just give them all the same one. Brenda, Biggie. Don't mix. Just give them all the same. That's how we're going to do it while they're away.
Huh?
It's okay.
What?
Yeah.
And then this is
No.
Brenda's
Oh my God.
urinary tract infection food. Let's just show them.
I thought I would keep it easy and just give them all the same food.
No.
Wow.
This is Joey's. It usually goes first, junior second. So you see it's quite a bit of a dance. And then don't forget about Biggie. An erotic one. Next step.
Okay, that's